Hello guys, so today we'll see how to set up Tailwind CSS v4 in React with Vite, and this is for beginners guys. Okay, so let's start guys how to set up. Okay, so for that what we'll do, we'll go here and just type for Vite Tailwind install Tailwind CSS. Okay, just type that is Vite install Tailwind CSS and open it. Okay, so to install that guys, first using Vite we are doing. Okay, so just copy this terminal, that is npm install tailwind. Okay, go here in our code and I have to close from here, just paste it here and try to install it. Okay, so it is installing now, you can see. Okay, it is installed guys. Next step is what? Next we need to go in our Vite config file, and there whatever here dark mark, right, this is see border is there, so this we need to copy it and we need to add this in our Vite config.ts file. Okay, so we'll go in that file. So here you will see guys Vite config.js. Okay, so here only we need to add that. Okay, so I'm adding here. Then next is you can see guys here there is a plugin we have installed now, right? So that plugin we need to add, that is Tailwind CSS. So I'm copying it and I'll install now here. Okay, so here I have to add it. So I'll take this also below. Okay, so you can see guys I have added here Tailwind. Okay, the next step is what? So the next step is, okay, we need to import this guys, that is Tailwind, in our CSS file. Okay, so I am copying it and we'll go here and we'll check for CSS file. So if you go in source, you can see here there is an index.css. Okay, so here one code is there, that is CSS file is there. So this we need to remove it, that's see all the CSS, and just paste it here, that is add import Tailwind CSS. Okay, just paste it there. Okay, as it is. Then next we'll run the npm run dev. By using this command we'll run the program and we'll see guys what will happen. Okay, so here I'm running this npm run dev. Okay, you can see guys it is running now. So I'll click and I'll open. So you can see guys it is changed everything. Okay, because earlier it was here, I'll show you guys. You can see it was earlier code, but now it is, what I can see, it is changed. Okay, so you can see guys here it came. Okay, but we will adjust this guys, we will add something different here. Okay, so now we'll go in our code. So you can see guys here app.js is there, right? So what I'll do, I'll remove the whole code, we'll add different code guys here, and this app.css we are not using guys, so I'll delete it. Okay, so I'm deleting from here. Okay, we have deleted that by using this index.css and app.js. Okay, so in app.js we will add one code guys now. So arrow function we will use, that is RAFC. Okay, so you can see guys this is our arrow function. So what we'll add some Tailwind CSS here and we'll see whether it is working or not. So for now I'll remove it and take here one h1 tag. Okay, and in div class name will add, we'll take container, one background will give guys red or blue, will take bg, amber is there. Okay, we'll take blue. Okay, so blue background we have, a bg is nothing but background. Then here we'll add one text, that is hello Tailwind CSS. Hello Tailwind CSS. Okay, now we'll see guys. Okay, you can see guys we got the background here. You can see background is there, right? We have added. We'll make it is in center and bit attractive will do guys. Okay, by using Tailwind CSS only. So here we'll add like mx auto. So we'll see. You can see guys now it is in center. Okay, And one more thing is, whatever the suggestion I'm getting here, right? So for that, just go here in extension and search for Tailwind CSS intelligence. Where is Tailwind CSS? Okay, so just install this, guys. See here the suggestion I'm getting, right here you can see BG50 Okay, for this suggestion, whatever the suggestion I'm getting here, for that I have installed, guys, this extension, that is Tailwind CSS intelligence. Okay, so you have seen right here, guys, while I was writing I was getting some suggestion. So here you can see, sorry, so I'll add class name, text, you can see guys, text white I'm getting, right? This is a suggestion I'm getting that from there, guys. You can see it is changed now. Okay, so you install that also. Okay, next, guys, what we'll do, if you want to add some anything here, again, if you want to see, you can add that also, guys. Suppose if I want to take here also one div, if you want to take button, that also you can take here. Okay, so here we'll add, this is an text. Okay, so Tailwind says it's easy to write a class name. Here we'll take text to Excel. Okay, okay, to Excel I'm taking. You can see we got here, this is an text, right? So in this only we're adding. Now I'll show you one button also, how to add a button. So you can see this here, I'll add one button. Okay, sorry, one div will take, in that we'll add one button. Okay, so here we'll add click me. You can give here class name also. So you can see it here, you can see it here, we got one button. So we'll add some background and all here. So BG, you can see as I'm getting, right? So which one I'll take? Blue already is there, right? Okay, this will take. If you want padding, you can take this, guys. Why padding? Okay, now you will see here. You can see, guys, we got one color, right? Now what we'll do, we'll make it rounded. It's not looking good, right? So rounded to Excel. You can see, guys, it is rounded now. And we'll add hour also. So on hour, color should get changed. So for that, hour, and we'll add some different color, guys. Okay, this amber 300 will add. Okay, now we'll see. You can see, guys, color changing, right? When I hour on that, the color is getting changed. Okay, so like this, guys, you can install Tailwind CSS before in your system, guys. Okay, so I hope you got. If you have any question, guys, you can comment in comment box. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.